Okay. I literally look like Bret Michaels. Oh my god. Whew. Okay, so hi guys. So I wanted to come on here fresh faced. What I really wanted to come on here and show you guys is my new skincare fridge. Obviously, I fell into the trap of the Instagram ads of you need a skincare fridge because it's going to make all your skincare last longer. So I've heard that's totally a rumor. Who knows if it's true? Personally, I don't care because I think it's super cute and I like it. And truthfully, putting on all these products when they're icy cold feels so refreshing and so good.
Oh, that's good.
So I'm in it. You know, I spent the money and I got it and here it is. Thanks, China. I wanted to show you guys kind of what was in my little skincare fridge because I just think it's so cute. And truth be told, it made me kind of pull out a lot of my skincare that I had hiding in drawers and put it in here. And so now I'm using so much more of it. Like, aside from looking like, you know, early 2000s Bret Michael, not bad, right? Not bad. Okay, so this is what my little fridge looks like. It is so cute. Like, I just love it so much. It is definitely the small version. I've heard there's larger versions out there, but this one is kind of compact and cute. I don't think I'm going to let it live here because if I do, it's going to get caked in makeup, and obviously you can see it is white, and I don't want to worry about cleaning it all the time and like getting the fan filthy. So I gotta find it a new house. But for now, this is where it lives. So if we open her up, oh my god, hi, we're falling apart. This is it. I have her filled to the brim. So the first thing that we'll take out, because it's literally already falling out, is this Jade Roller right here. I love jade rolling now. Like, oh my god. Even if this literally does nothing, just this is so therapeutic. And like this, yeah. Like, this is awesome. It's like a good facial massager, like, if anything. So why don't we do a little stuff in the door because, you know, it's cute and like right there. Alright, so the first stuff I'm going to pull out are just literally little samples of things. Like, I've got a vitamin C, some cleansing cream that really doesn't need to be in here, some argan oil, another mask in here, you know, some cuties. These things I got at TJ Maxx, and they're so good. They're like actually giant. I didn't think I'd like them because they're so large, but lo and behold, I love them, and they're even better when they're chilled. And then this is just an eye cream by the Enlight brand. I haven't seen their stuff in a while, but I used to be a big fan, big time stan of their stuff. But that's that, and then the door. It doesn't hold a lot because it's kind of small, but like it's perfect for what it's doing right now. You know, serving that purpose. So going back to the fridge, I've got just a large sheet mask in here because, oh my god, I cannot wait to put this on. Can you imagine how great this is going to feel? Like, this sucker ice cold on your face. Please. So this is the Rin Skincare, like, Evercalm Rescue Mask. I've used this once before, like another little bottle like this before, and I actually really liked it, so I was glad to get another one. It's just super hydrating and just, I don't know, really, really nice. So I've got it in there. The Belief Hydra Sebum Control Essence. I really like this to wear before, what is it called? That thing. You know, that thing. Oh my god, powder foundation. Jeez. I like to put this down instead of like a primer before I put that on because it's really good and it is just good. Okay, we're ending. Okay, bye. Thanks for hanging out. This is my travel size setting spray because the full size did not fit in here. This isn't the D-Slick. I actually have all-nighter in here. I don't know if that's gross that I like filled this back up with something else, but I did, you know, save me that $15 baby. So that's going to be amazing whenever I use it. Oh god, I've got this Kota Lee Serum. It's just good. Truthfully, I don't even know what this does. I've had quite a few samples of this and I like it. It makes my skin super soft, so I just keep it in here because I like it. This is a lip mask that I opened up completely not realizing that it was a lip mask. For some reason I thought it was like a full-blown sleeping mask. I was wrong. But this is amazing and I really like it. I might end up actually buying the whole, like the full-size version. I don't know, we'll see. This is my Yumi? I don't know what this is called, but it's the like carry-on anxiety roller ball. This smells so good. It's just like an aromatherapy type thing. Another Kota Lee product that I've got in here. Is that even how you say that? I don't even know. But this kind of like goes with the other one that I have, so I use them together and my face feels amazing, so yay for that. This I've recently just got and I'm so obsessed with it. I love it so much. Are you leaking? First of all, rude. You totally are. There's a leak. There's a leak in the fridge. So this is the Badescu Lavender Facial Spray. First of all, let's just do this really fast. Oh my god, that is so amazing. Chilled? Yes, 10 out of 10. And plus it's lavender and I like to spray it on at night. Why am I so out of it? I like to spray it on at night because it's lavender and that makes me sleepy. And I already sleep so well as it is, so you know, I need all the help I can get. This is just my little travel size of the Drunk Elephant Protini. I really like this. I don't use it as like a regular day cream like it's meant to be used because it's way too heavy for me. So I like to use it as a night cream. So this is hands down my favorite night cream of all time. The Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. This, in my mind, there's just nothing better. Literally nothing better than this guy right here. Love him so much. So let's go to the top shelf. Hey, we get to the good stuff. No, I'm kidding. It's literally just kind of like my version of daytime stuff, except for this guy right here, because I don't want to lose him on the bottom shelf. So this is the Korres Wild Rose Brightening Oil. I used to be obsessed with the night cream by Korres, like the Wild Rose, and then I found the watermelon and, you know, life changed. We moved on. This is the Tatcha Water Cream. If you guys saw what I suggested to buy in the Sephora summer sale, this was definitely on there. This is such a good daytime cream. It's so lightweight. I love using this mask right here. This is a Fresh Vitamin Nectar Vibrancy Boosting Face Mask. This is just so good. Like, it makes your face so bright and like shiny, but like in the best way possible. This is just a mini version of my favorite daytime cream ever, the Belief the True Cream Aqua Bomb, and then I have the same thing in just the jumbo version. And then this is a vitamin C like serum. I love to put this on at night. It is so bizarre feeling on the skin. Like I really can't even describe it. I don't know if it's just my skin needs it so desperately, so it just reacts bizarre, or what, I don't know. But, and I've always heard like you should refrigerate your vitamin C products because vitamin C goes bad really quickly. I don't know. I could just be falling into the trap of the internet, but I don't know, it's in here, so it'll be alright, I guess. And this little guy is the Drunk Elephant Bee Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. I like to use this guy before I put on my creams for the day. It's so lightweight, but also so hydrating. And so cute, look how tiny. Which this probably still costs like 50 bucks, I don't know. I got it as like a free gift. But Drunk Elephant is so expensive, but their skincare is so good. Why? And then the very last thing in here is my eye cream. This is definitely one of my favorites. This is Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. This little sucker, like, okay, this tub is huge, and look how much you actually get. Like, nothing in there. That is so frustrating, and this is almost 50 bucks. But it's so good. So, definitely worth the price. And that's it. That is the entire contents of my little skin fridge. Now, I know I've shoved a good bit of stuff in there, but I also have a lot of like miniature size stuff that I just kind of shoved in there so I could test it out and use it and see if it's worth buying the full-size version. Now, one thing I am kind of bummed that I can't put in there is my favorite toner, the Ole Henriksen Glow 2O Dark Spot Toner. Oh, I bet this would feel so amazing cooled. But it is just too big for me little fella. Now, I do know that they sell larger fridges that will hold full-size products like that one, but your girl don't have that kind of cash, so we bought this one. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please give it a like if you did enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you go. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!